अब इसके बाद नंबर 2, डिस्क्रीट सीरीज. व्हाट इज द रिकॉग्नाइजर ऑफ डिस्क्रीट सीरीज? व्हेन मार्क्स इज गिवन विथ फ्रीक्वेंसी, मार्क्स एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. फ्रीक्वेंसी 3, 7, 20, 8, 2. अब जैसा कि हमारा फार्मूला है J इज इक्वल टू A माइनस जेड अपॉन स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन. सबसे पहले हमारा काम क्या है? मीन और स्टैंडर्ड डेविएशन कैलकुलेट करेंगे. मीन के लिए मार्क्स, फ्रीक्वेंसी, dx, fdx और पांचवा कॉलम fdx स्क्वायर का होगा. अब ऊपर हेडिंग बाकायदा वही रहेगी, कैलकुलेशन ऑफ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ स्क्यूनेस बाय कार्ल पियर्सन फार्मूला. कैलकुलेशन coefficient of skewness by Karl Pearson formula. In the condition of discrete series, first we should write marks which is given in the question. Marks 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After that we will see which frequency is given. We should write as it is 3, 7, 20, 8, 2 and total should be here 30. After that from marks we should take assume mean dx is equal to 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. After that frequency multiplied by deviation fdx means second column multiplied by third column. So it should be here 3 multiplied by 0, 3, 0, 7 multiplied by 10, 70, 20 multiplied by 20, 400, 30 multiplied by 8, 240, 40 multiplied by 2, 80 and this total should be here sigma f dx square is equal to 400, 600, 720, 790. After that for standard deviation fdx square means third column multiplied by fourth column. 0 multiplied by 0, 0, 70 multiplied by 10, 700, 40 multiplied by 20, 8000, 240 multiplied by 30, 70, 200, 80 multiplied by 40, 3600 and this total should be here sigma fdx square is equal to 7, 10, 18,000, 18, 19,500. After that we should use formula for mean. A is equal to x plus minus sigma fdx upon n. Hence x is equal to 10, sigma fdx 790 upon n is 30. If we should divide 790 divided by 30, 790 divided by 30, so 26.33, 10 plus 26.33, the mean should be here 36.33. After that standard deviation formula, theta is equal to under root sigma fdx square upon n minus sigma fdx upon n whole square. Sigma fdx square 19,500 and 30, sigma fdx 790 divided by 30 whole square. 19,500 divided by 30, this is 650 and 790 divided by 30, it should be 26.33. 26.33 multiplied by 26.33, it should be here 19,500, 790 divided by 30, 790 divided by 30, it should come 26.33 multiplied by 26.33, 693 and 19,500 divided by 30 and this total is 650 Why answer is not? Okay, we will see here. So it should be here 790. 790 divided by 30, answer will come 36.33. This is A. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 70 multiplied by 10, 700. 400 multiplied by 20, this is 8000. 24 multiplied by 30 is equal to 7200. 80 multiplied by 40, it should come 3200. In place of 3600, 3200. So it should come, total should be here 700 plus 8000, 8 7 15 3 18, 18 और 19,100, 19,100, and we should write here 19,100. 19,100. 19,100 divided by 30. 19,100 divided by 30. It should be here 636.67, and 790. We will check again. 10 multiplied by 7, 70. 20 multiplied 20, 400. 8 multiplied by 30, 240. 40 multiplied by 2, 80. So it should be 400, 600, 720, 790. 790 divided by 30, it should come 26.33. 26.33 multiplied by 26.33, this is 693. So 636 minus 693, so it should come minus 636. It is 57.4. The under root should be here 7.57 and minus 7.57. This is standard deviation. After that, we will see here by inspection method, or second method is, first we should prepare grouping table, then analysis table. After analysis table, we will see 20 marks appear more time, so Z should be here 30. Formula is A minus Z upon standard deviation. A answer is 36.33. 36.33 minus 7.57 upon theta. This is A minus Z. Z is 30 and theta is 7.57. 7.57. So answer should come 37.33. So here 6.33 divided by minus 7.57. So J is equal to 6.33 divided by 7.57. So answer should come 0.83. 0.83. So J will be 0.83 in minus 0.83. So in the condition of discrete series, see again. First, we should draw 4 column table for mean and 5th column for standard deviation. After that, we should use formula for mean and standard deviation. And for Z, we should use grouping table, analysis table. By grouping analysis table, we can find 30 marks appear more time. So that will be Z is equal to 30 marks. And we should put A minus Z upon standard deviation. So answer will come minus 0.83. Thank you.